विसा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. बुधवारा म्हापशा तार जंक्शनाकडल्या पुलाची आणि फ्लायओव्हराच्या कामाची आमदार ग्लेन टिकल्यान पळोवणी केली. बस्तडच्या पंचायत वांगड्यांबरोबर आमदार ग्लेन टिकल्यान कामाचो आढावो घेतलो आणि साबार मुद्द्यांचेर भर घाली. तशेंच नेमको हो पूल केन्ना तयार जातलो हाची खात्री करून घेतल्या. त्या भायर 31 मे पयलीं हें काम पुराय जावपाक जाय म्हण आमदार ग्लेन टिकलो उलयला. आरडीएक्स खातीर म्हापशेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
There are a few issues before the completion of this bridge, flyover, under passage, where we have Sarpanch of Basara Savio Martins, our executive engineer Mr. Maikar is here, Mr. Pereira, Mr. Frankie Babasa, councillor, and all the members are here and a lot of people. What has happened here? First and foremost, we want to know the exact date of the completion of the bridge before the rains. And we given an assurance since there was a delay, which was told earlier. Now, before 31st March, I requested 31st May, it should be completed. And which right so it will happen because of the segment that is being moving. Because of the Mandovi bridge, there was delay, but they have given a deadline and also made a letter. The highways to JRDC before 31st May, am I right? This should be completed. To avoid confusion further. That is one issue. Secondly, we had an issue where all the water during the rains, which there's an outlet here to the drain, which is at a certain point it has been stopped. But we requested Mr. Maikar to just give an extension where there's a pipe there which is elevated so that normally all the water comes here and there's comes to the drain, to the outlet and meets the mouth of the river further. Like the blocks are there, it will be jam and water stagnated. So, I have told director Sarpanch to direct those people over there to remove that pipeline. That is the issue. And third issue is regarding the Tari Bridge. Drain right now, we had inspection there and we have to continue drain further. So, the pipeline kachi, the pipe badla no, they want a private marble here. They ami Sarpanch sande ami kadung lete and food ami te food here kurte drain and maintain kurte. Regarding sewage treatment plant, there's only one plant which is coming here in Algona constituency, and already the works are going on under JICA project. Now, to our surprise, we came to know another plant has been coming by the Sewage Treatment Plant Corporation. We have no objection of plant coming here, but first and foremost, I was not taken to confidence as ML, neither my councillor, Malin D'Souza.